Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by assembling essentials so you can work without interruption. First, install Java JDK 8 or newer and open your editor. You need runtime and a place to edit. Next, make the project tree and name folders exactly: images, scripts, and a manifest file. Once done, import your character art as numbered PNG frames. Consistent size matters for smooth animation. Make sure file names use underscores and leading zeros so the loader reads frames in order. You now program the Shimeji's behavior so it feels alive. Start by editing manifest. JSON to declare the sprite set, frame timing in milliseconds, and the default starting state. This tells the engine how to sequence images. Then author scripts that implement a simple state machine: idle, walk, climb, and add random timers so behavior isn't repetitive. Also hook interaction handlers for click and drag events when a user clicks. Transition to a React animation. Finally, set collision masks and pixel offsets so feet and hands align with the desktop. You finish by packaging and iterating until the Shimeji behaves smoothly. Bundle images, manifest, and scripts into the required archive format, then run the loader on your target OS. Watch the console for parse errors or missing resources. If an animation stutters, make sure frame durations are consistent and collision boxes are not overlapping. Adjust offsets and reduce image size if CPU spikes. One key troubleshooting tip: enable verbose logging in your script to trace state.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.